Hello students, this is your English ma'am speaking. Today we're going to see part 5 and lesson 2, the web of life. Hope you all enjoyed yesterday's session, right? Do you all understood the concept describing words? Yesterday we saw describing words, right? Am I right or not? Yes. Do you all understood that? Hope you all understood. Today we're going to do some activities regarding describing words in companion, not in studio, in companion. Take your studio, take your studio and turn to the page number 16. Turn to the page number 16. See the picture, see the slide. Observe it carefully. What is this? Animals. Okay, pet animals or wild animals? Both pet animals and wild animals are there, right? Okay, just observe the pictures. I will give you 10 seconds. Just observe it. Have you all observed? Okay, what is the first picture given here? Dog. Second one, cat. Third one, tiger. Fourth one, cow and calf. Fifth one, lion. Sixth one, elephant and calf. Okay, dears. What I told you? Have you all turned the page number 16 in companion? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Shall I start the class now? Okay, dears. See the slide. Activity number 2C. See here what is given here. There is a question, right? Which is your favorite animal? Which is your favorite animal? You will have different kinds of favorite animals, right? From that you can choose any one animal and write that animal's name in this dash. Ma'am likes dog. I like dog very much. So which animal you like, that animal name you have to mention there. Right there. Or else you can observe the class. After sometimes you can take your companion and you can write. Okay. However, you have to listen. Should not see here and there. Your mind should be fully in this class only. Okay. Listen to the class. Next, talk to your partner about this. You may describe. So in home, who will be with you? Your friends, your parents or your grandparents, right? With them you can describe the animal which you wrote here. Okay. So dog, I wrote dog here. So how you have to describe? There is a clue for you. How it looks, the animal which you wrote here, how it looks, what it eats, where it is found and why you like it. You have to create sentences and you have to describe the animal which you wrote in the dash. Okay, dears? Okay, listen here. Ma'am described dog as it looks cute and innocent. How I described the dog looks cute and innocent. It looks cute and innocent. Next. It likes to eat bones. What it eats? It likes to eat bones. Okay. Where it is found? So dog is a pet animal or a wild animal? Pet animal. So it is pet animal. So it lives with people. Some dogs will be in street, right? They are called as stray dogs. Okay, next. Why you like it? I love my pet dog very much because it is lovable, kind and friendly to me. So how I described my pet dog? Lovable, kind and friendly. So what you have to do is you also write one pet dog here. Okay, pet dog or pet cat, whatever you like, that animal you have to write here and you have to describe here. Okay, dears, will you do it? Will you do by yourself or you will get your parents' help? No, you will do by yourself, right? I hope you will do by yourself. Whatever you write here. Okay, I need your creative answers. So you write your favorite animal here and you have to describe your favorite animals here. Okay, dears. Each one answers will be different. Okay, so your creative answers should be here with 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, will you do or not? Hope you all do. Okay, dears. Okay, see the next slide. Observe the given picture. See, two pictures are here, right? What is this actually? A bag with pen, pencil, paint, eraser, sketches. Then in this bag, what is here? Pen, pencil, eraser, sketches, scale, everything is here, right? So observe the picture. Then take page number 17 in your companion. Take page number 17. Okay, dear, see here. What you have to do is, you just see these pictures, observe the pictures and see what are all the things in the picture, and you have to remember that. Now what you have to do is, see what you saw there, you have to mention the things one by one. See here first what you saw there. For example, I will show you one example. See, first I saw pen, so I wrote pen here. Then I saw pencil. Then I saw scale. Then I saw sketch pens. Then I saw erasers. Did you saw? Okay, I will show again the slide. Observe it. Observe the picture. Now you can see all the images which I shown in the previous slide. Pencil, scale, sharpener, eraser, sketch, everything is here, right? So what you have to do was, you just write all the things you saw in the previous slide and you have to describe that. See, for example, I gave one sentence here. For pen, I wrote, there is a red pen. There is a red pen in the colorful bag. There is a red pen in the colorful bag. So I described the naming word here. So what are all the naming words here? What are all the naming words here? Pen. Name of a thing is a naming word, right? So here is a pen. It is a naming word. Bag. It is a naming word. How I described? There is a red pen. I described pen as a red pen. I described bag as colorful bag. Colorful bag. Likewise, what you have to do, you have to use describing words to describe this naming words. You have to create sentences by your own. You can give your own answer. Okay, dears? So you have to complete this activity by your own words, but you should not forget to underline the describing words. See, describing words must be underlined. Okay, you should not forget to describe the naming words, and also you need to underline the describing words. I wrote in sentences, but you should write in paragraph. Okay, dears, have you all understood? Hope you all understood. Okay, next. Now take your studio, turn to the page number 29. Take your studio and turn to the page number 29. Take your studio. Have you all turned to the page number 29 in studio? Activity 2.6. Okay, dears, keep your finger on the line. Use the given bingo sheet. Write at least 3 words to describe each person in your team. So you are not in the school, right? So you don't bother about this bingo sheet. Ma'am, what is meant by bingo sheet? Don't think like that and all. See, here is an activity. Name of teammate. So each and everyone will have friends, right? So you have friends or not? Yes. So what you have to write is first 1, 2 and 3. You have 3 dashes here. In these dashes you have to write your friend's name. For example, if you have friends Ramu, Sita, Rani, you can write like this. Whomever your friend, that friend's name you have to write here. Only 3 friends' name you have to write here. First one, second one and third one. After completing this, what you have to do is you have to describe them. For example, they given here one example, Ria. She is tall, she is kind, she is happy. Like that, you have to write your friend's name here and you have to describe them. You have to describe them. Here you have to write your friend name, here you have to write your friend name, and here also you have to write your friend name, and you have to start to describe them like this: tall, kind, happy. But you should not repeat these words. You can write another describing words by describing your friends. You can find words from the clue box. See here, clue box. I gave clue box here: beautiful, lovable, talented, energetic, cute, brave, good dancer, kind, strong, chubby. So whatever you think about your friend, you can describe in this dashes. Okay? Will you do this activity in home? Will you? Okay, dears. I hope you will do. Next class, I will ask you whether you did or not. Okay. Listen here. For example, they gave one example. No, now they are explaining here. Listen. This is Ria. Who is this? Ria. She is a tall girl. She is a tall girl. She is also very kind. She is also very kind. Ria is a very happy girl. Ria is a very happy girl. So how they described? You just see this example and you start describe your friends with the help of clue box. Okay. Did you describe any teammate as hardworking? Did you describe any teammate as hardworking? If yes, you tick S box. If no, you tick no box. Write their name here. If you described your teammate as hardworking, you have to describe their name. Okay, dears? Completed? Completed? If you not completed, you just observe the class, and after completing the session you can describe your friends. You think and write. Okay. Not only in the clue box you can find answers, but also you can think and come up with creative answers, dears. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed this session, and I hope you will do these activities. So 2.6, then 2D in companion, then 2C in companion. You should not copy the same answers what Am wrote in the slide, but you should try different answers. Okay, dears? Will you do? Hope you will do. Till this, we will stop today's class. Tomorrow, we will meet with different kinds of activities in studio. Okay? Thank you. Stay safe and stay good.